Stop telling business owners I'll rank you number one on Google. And I know it sounds like the thing they want to hear, but the second you say it, you just handed that client a weapon they're going to use against you every single month. If your agency is attracting nightmare clients, people who micromanage you, question every invoice, and threaten to cancel every single month, it's not bad luck. You're doing it to yourself. And it comes down to single words and phrases you're using on the sales call that pre-select the worst clients on the planet. Here's a real example. When I started out, I would tell clients, I'll rank you number one on Google. Sounds confident. Sounds like you know what you're doing. Wrong. The second you say number one, you just gave that client a metric to hold against you. Now every single week they're checking, they're Googling themselves. And if they're not sitting at the top of that page, they're texting you. Hey, I'm not number one yet. Hey, what's going on? You promised me number one spot. You created that. You invited that headache. Here's what I say instead. I'm going to get you on the first page of Google. That's it. First page. Achievable, verifiable. And when it happens, they have nothing to complain about. They pay, they stay. One word changes everything. And that's how I run a $35,000 a month agency from my phone without clients blowing it up every day. And here's the part that took me way too long to figure out. This isn't just about Google rankings. The same principle applies on every single promise you make on the sales call. And most agency owners are making 3 or 4 of these mistakes without even noticing them. How you position your offer is a filter. When you overpromise to close a deal, when you tell someone what they want to hear just to get the yes, you are pre-selecting to get the worst clients on the planet. Because the people who buy based on an inflated promise are already in a needy mindset. They signed up chasing a fantasy, and the second the reality doesn't match the fantasy, you're getting a phone call. But when you're honest, confident, specific, and you don't embellish, the right people show up already sold. They're not buying because you hyped them up. They're buying because they trust what you said. And the trust carries into the entire working relationship. That's the difference between running an agency that gives you freedom and running an agency that feels like you bought yourself a minimum wage job with extra stress. And there's one more piece to this that nobody in this space talks about, and it's probably the most important one. Desperation is a smell. When you're pitching like you need the client more than they need you, dropping the price, stretching your promise, throwing in extras just to keep them on the call, prospects feel it. And some will sign up, but they'll sign up knowing they have leverage over you, and they will use it. The agencies attracting the best clients are the ones willing to walk away. Here's what I do, here's what it costs, and here's what you can expect. If that works for you, great. If not, no hard feelings. That's not arrogance, that's positioning. And it changes everything about who raises their hand. So if you're dealing with clients who drain you, stop blaming them and look at how you sold them. Look at what you promised, because the clients you have right now are a direct reflection of how you position yourself to get them. Fix the positioning and the right people will start finding you. If you want the full system, the scripts, the snapshots, the lead magnets, all of it, it's all inside my community. You also get 2 live calls a week with me, and you can get access completely free. Link is down below, and I'll see you on the calls.